How to draw a dog step-by-step drawing guide for kids. Get ready to draw a cute puppy. This fun and easy guide will show you how to draw a dog in just 10 simple steps. Grab your paper, pencil, and let's go woof woof. Step 1. Draw the head. Start with a big oval or round shape in the center of your page. This is where the puppy's face will go. Step 2. Add 2 floppy ears. Draw long curved ears on both sides of the head. Make them rounded or pointy, your choice. Step 3. Draw the eyes. Draw 2 circles for eyes and fill in little black dots for pupils. Step 4. Make a nose. Between the eyes, draw a small oval or triangle. Color it black. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such kids learning videos. Please continue watching. Step 5. Add a smiley mouth. Draw a happy smile below the nose. Add a tiny tongue for extra cuteness. Step 6. Draw the body. From the head, draw a big round shape for the puppy's body. Step 7. Add front legs. Draw 2 lines going down with small curves for paws. Step 8. Add back legs. Draw 2 curved legs near the back so the puppy looks like it's sitting. Step 9. Draw the tail. Add a small curved tail on one side. Make it waggy or curly. Step 10. Add final details and color. Trace your drawing with black erase sketch lines and color your puppy. Great job! You just drew a cute puppy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing videos.